The good news with side plank is that you don't have to move your hand to the middle of the mat because it's 2 points and you can always make a straight line out of 2 points no matter which direction they're running. And then the other thing is, rather than having the hand or wrist directly under the shoulder, I prefer to have the hand slightly forward, and that means that I'm more likely to have this structurally sound, engineering approved right angle here, as opposed to being in more of this downward shape like that. So that's 2. And number 3 is the feet. Gee, I see a lot of strange things going on with the feet. So I'll do a little demo. Maybe it's like this, or the feet all kind of curled over. So you want to think that the feet are like Tadasana feet. Focus on big toes and inner ankles touching. And the main thing is to have this bottom ankle lifted up off the floor. So bottom ankle lifted and splaying the toes. And I think that helps your side plank.